Good morning, folks. Good morning. We're going to do another Rolling Stones. She's a honky tonk woman. I met her just so barroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to heave me right across her shoulder. 'Cause I just can't seem to drink you off my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, gimme the honky tonk blues. I laid a divorcee in New York City. I had to put up some kind of a fight. The lady then she covered me in roses. She blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, gimme the honky tonk blues. All right. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, gimme the honky tonk blues. It's a honky tonk woman. Oh, gimme the honky tonk blues. Woo!